Happy days, my fantastic numismatic friends. Right, we've got the Tilray book and I'm getting some stickers. I've got this one here that Callie sent me, but if I peel it off, it doesn't look too good on a dark background, so I might just leave it like that and just stick that on there. But we'll see. That's for another day. That's for another day. Pop you over there. Right, so what do we need? We need the technologies from 1997. We need all 4 Commonwealth Games. We need the 2005 gunpowder plot. The 2007 Act of Union, which is quite bizarre. We haven't found that one yet. The Olympic coins. What else do we need? King James Bible and the Mary Rose from 2011. 2013's Underground Roundel coin. The 2015 Magna Carta, which is one of my favourite £2 coins. And then that's that for the £2. 50p's. We just need Kew Garden from 2009, but who doesn't need that one? And that is almost full. We've got judo during the last till raid, which was amazing, absolutely amazing coin. And we need the football coin and the Olympic handball and one more triathlon. So not many to find now, not many to find. We'll keep plugging away. We'll keep plugging away and doing it also. Right, so let's have a look what we've got in the tin. A tin, as they say. Right, so let's get. Got plenty of finds. Right, I'm just going to split these up into two decks. 2 seconds. There we go. Right, so I've split them up into 2 piles of 50p's and £2 coins. Look at that, lot. There's plenty there, isn't there, to go at. Right, so first one up. We have got a 1997 Technologies. Now, there's nothing rare about this coin apart from it being the only one, the only £2 bimetallic £2 with the 3rd portrait of Her Majesty on it. It's the first £2 coin, bimetallic £2 coin. So that's the only reason why I'm keeping this one. It's not a scarce coin. But we'll keep it for the book. Okay, so we'll pop you up there. Just as if we're keeping Britannia's, then we might as well keep a technology as well. And that is the first one, so that's why we keep it. Okay, so we've got the 5th portrait of Her Majesty on there. So we've got a comedies. Very nice. But we get a lot up here in Yorkshire or down here in Yorkshire, wherever you're watching this, so we won't keep the comedies. This one is the tragedies, and it says what a piece of work is a man. So we won't keep that one. We will find the edge inscription error one day. I am absolutely positive we will. There we go. Got another comedies. Okay, this is a little bit more shinier. And it's an Army Pals, the First World War Centenary, the Army editions, shoulder to shoulder, King and Country. Okay, now we're back on the 4th portrait of Her Majesty. And this is the St. Paul's Cathedral magnanimity coin. So, yeah, very common. We won't need that one for the book. What's this one? 4th portrait, the Trinity Lighthouse. Cracking design. Absolutely beautiful coin. We have got another 5th portrait, very super duper shiny, and it is another super duper Army Pals. So again, we don't need that one. King and Country, you go there. We've got loads to get through, haven't we? We've got loads to get through. Okay, £2 on there, so it's going to be a Lord Kitchener. Yes. Your coin tubers need you. There you go. There you go. Okay, what's this one? And we've got another Trinity Lighthouse. We've got a fair few coins this till raid, haven't we? The coin gods were good to us. Okay, yeah, there we go. Charles Darwin. See Charles Darwin there and his little chimpanzee buddy. The Origin of Species and all that lot. There we go. Happy days, my fantastic friends. This one looks a little bit beaten up, and it is the engineer Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Now, I have a theory. It's not a theory, it's just an observation. This coin looks very similar to the H.G. Wells coin. So I think with the top hat, some bits and pieces of engineering in the background, and the rim, I can draw similarities to it, design. So maybe I'll do a bit of a think and a bit of a review on that. Maybe. Let me know your thoughts, my fantastic friends. Right, what's this one? Another army, pals. So that's 3 now for the till raiding coin hunt. Are we going to make it 4? No, it's a skull, and that's very sharp and shiny. What a piece of work is a man or a Dan. Plenty of coins. That's what we like to see. What's this one? We've got super duper shiny histories. So we've got, in fact, we'll shift through over there, and we've got the set made, the Shakespeare set made. Okay, but we ain't done yet, folks. We ain't done yet. Another one. So we've made 2 sets of the Shakespeares. Right, 2015. What's this going to be? Well, I know. It's an absolutely belter of a coin. Britannia, one of the rarest ones. Found a few now on the till raid for this campaign of £2 coins. Yeah, I like it. One of the rarest £2 coins you'll find. So definite keeper. But the keeper of all keepers for this £2 section is this one. Any guesses? Let's flip the coin over. Of course, it's London Olympic Centenary. Another scarce coin, and a very, a very hard coin to find. So happy days on that. And I think we do need that one for the album. So they're happy with that. Plenty of coins. What we've got: 3, 6, 9, 12 coins. 12 coin designs, actually. Right, let's get on to the 50p's. Right, folks, so we've got the 50p's here. What we got. So what we do, we go to shops. If you don't know, we go into shops, we pay with a £1 note, a £5 note usually, and we ask for picture 50p's or picture £2 coins in as change. And we've been doing alright. We've been doing pretty good, as the book will show. That's the public libraries. We have got a 2015 JC 5th portrait, and it's the Battle of Britain. Now we'll keep this and put in the war 50p coins to one side for somebody. So we've got a 2018 Focus, got a 2018, looks a bit battered. Yeah, it's Paddington at the station. A very nice coin, very nice design, but it does look like it's been rubbed down a little bit. So that will go back to circulation. Now we've got a 2020. Now, if I didn't mention it before, we've got a tally chart in the back of the Till Raid album where I mark off how many Diversity Built Britain 50p's we've got. And I think this is the 45th. The 45th one. I think. Another 2018. And we've got a representation of a people act. Now, I actually like the design of this coin, and it does make me chuckle at times, but if you know, you know. But it's very high minted, so it goes back. Right, what's this one? Doesn't say anything. We'll get you into focus. So, no date on the front, so the date must be on this side. Now, is this a dual date coin? You know, like the Team GB, they were all saying it's a dual date coin. Is this a dual date coin? I don't know. But yeah, good stuff. Battle of Hastings. Okay, we've got a 2017. Come on, play ball with me, camera. It is a 2017. And we've got a really grotty looking Tale of Peter Rabbit. There we go. Okay, I remember a couple of weeks ago when we did that. That was quite fun, wasn't it? Get on with the programme, Dan. Another 2017. What's this one going to be? It's a Tom Kitten, forever smitten with Tom Kitten. And the last one, we've got another 2017, but it's a little bit special because it's an Isaac Newton. Now you don't see Isaac Newtons that often. Look at the quality of that coin. The design is something else, isn't it? It really is a firm favourite of coin collectors. And I did a full video on the Isaac Newton coin, so if you haven't seen that one, go check that video out. I'll put a little card up there or end screen or something like that. But yeah, definite belter of a find. It's not got a die clash. That's where the adverse and reverse dies are belted together before striking a coin and have left their imprint. But yeah, absolutely beautiful one. So we've got that one. We'll keep this one, we'll keep this one, and we'll obviously put the technologies in the book as well. But that's fantastic. Let me know what you found this week, my fantastic friends. It's always great to hear where people are finding certain coins and what kind of coins, and it's really is good fun interacting with you guys. Which is your best one of today? Is it the Isaac Newton? Is it the 2015 Britannia? Or is it the Olympic coin? Let me know. And until next time, take care of the Sen, stay safe, and as always, happy days.